Let's explore how to find and use subject headings in library search. Search for a keyword relevant to your research. For example, searching for gambling brings back over 186,000 results. To narrow these results down further, it is helpful to search by subject headings. Click on one of the search results that you wish to explore further and scroll down to the subject terms. Here, a list of subject headings that relate to the resource are listed. Click on one of the listed subject headings to see other materials which use the same subject heading. This takes the results from over 186,000 when searching just for gambling to 363 relevant results. Notice that the subject heading now appears in the search box at the top of the page and that the field is set to subject. Additional keywords or subject headings can be added to the search to further refine the results. Using filters will also narrow the results further. To search for a list of related subject headings, click the ellipses button at the top of the page. Select Browse Items and then select Subject Term from the Browse by drop-down menu. Enter a relevant keyword to see a list of related subject headings. Click a subject heading from this list to see relevant materials. Finally, let's look at how to search by subject headings in a specialist database, in this case, PsycInfo. Check the Suggest Subject Terms box and enter a keyword. Check the box next to the subject heading you wish to explore and click Add. Note that the selected subject heading is now in the search box. Click Search. There are just over 4,000 results for the subject heading Psychological Gambling. Narrow these results further by searching for more subject headings, keywords, or by using limiters.